Hello, this is Heather Shoemaker. This is my Module 2, Project-Based and Problem-Based Learning, March 3rd, 2016. In project-based learning, it starts with an end project in mind. It always has a real-world application, and it uses a production-type model where the students research and create a project. In the end, they present their product to a public audience. The teacher acts as a facilitator and assists students as needed within the learning process. It is important to remember that even though a project may be based on one curricular area, it crosses over into all areas of traditional academic studies. An example of using a project-based learning style would be how can we help our local homeless people get food and stay healthy? That's an example of a driving question. The students would create a needs-to-know list. They would then research one vegetable that they choose with a partner or a small group. Students would have to figure out how many of their plant will fit into various planter sizes. That would be a cross-curricular math connection. And the students will share their end product with the class. It might be a poster, an Animoto, a Discovery Ed board, or even a PowerPoint presentation. The students will also be planting seeds or starter plants within this project. They'll donate soil and observe the plants as they grow. The students will water and tend to the garden each day and take vegetables to the homeless shelter. This project will probably have a pretty long duration. It will probably be about 3 weeks of research and measurement, and then it will be ongoing until the plants are fully grown. Within problem-based learning, it starts with a complex problem that the teacher gives to the students. Good problems are open-ended and complex. They have a real-world context, and they use inquiry to solve the problem. Through PBL, students are experiencing deep rhetorical learning. An example of using problem-based learning would be to tell the students that my vegetable garden won't grow. What do I need to help my vegetables survive in the garden? And then the students would decide what steps they need to take and what information they need to gather to answer the question. The students will research within small groups to find out what plants need to survive. They need water, sunlight, and soil. But that question is open-ended. It doesn't give them choices. They have to actually figure it out themselves. They might also get into what type of climate the plants need and seeing if that is within our local climate. And they will present their findings to the class. This could also be done in various formats. They could create a poster, a project, maybe a drawing or something using Web 2.0 tools. This could be done in a short duration. It would maybe take them a few days to do the research and then a few days to figure out how they're going to present it to the class and create that. And these are the two references that were cited in my presentation. Thank you.